Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper, and this topic is related to analog circuits. Assuming that the op amp in the circuit is ideal, then what is the value of V0? The expression for V0 in terms of V1 and V2, it is going to be asked. Okay, so the op amp is ideal. Ideal op amp is going to be having voltage gain as infinite. So voltage gain AV is equal to infinite. AV is nothing but output voltage divided by input voltage. Input voltage nothing but difference at the input terminals, that is equal to infinite. From this one you can write it as VID is equal to V0 by infinite, which is nothing but 0. VID is equal to 0 is nothing but V plus voltage at non-inverting terminal minus voltage at inverting terminal is equal to 0. So you can write it as V plus is equal to V minus. This concept is popularly known as virtual short. This virtual short is going to be taking place only when voltage gain is infinite. Since it is ideal op amp, and one of the important characteristics of ideal op amp is AV is infinite, open loop voltage gain of infinite, so that we can assume that one voltage at non-inverting terminal and voltage at inverting terminal are same. So because of that one, since non-inverting terminal is connected with V2, inverting terminal is also connected at V2. So we can think in this way. So now apply KCL, apply Kirchhoff's current law at V2, that is nothing but inverting terminal. At inverting terminal apply KCL. By that time you can write it as V2 minus V1 by R plus V2 minus V0 divided by 3R plus V2 divided by 2R is equal to 0. So from this one, if you simplify, you will get these things. If you simplify, this is V0 by 3R, V0 divided by 3R is equal to, you will get it as V2 times of 1 by R plus 1 by 2R plus 1 by 3R minus V1 by R. This is what you will get. So from this one you can finalize it. V0 is equal to, after simplifying, V0 is equal to, you will get it as 11 by 2 times of V2 minus 3V1. So the answer given is V0 is equal to, we can write it as minus 3V1 plus 11 by 2 V2. So the right option is D, minus 3V1 plus 11 by 2 V2. Thank you.